If you want to create a video with the lip sync that Adobe Express has, you have to use up to 2 minutes of audio max. To use it, I download only one scene at a time. Go to the home page and find Animate Characters. On the right side, you can upload or record the voice for this. I clicked Browse to upload the voice I just created with the Gen Voice app. On the right side, you can choose the background of the animated character and the background. They added tons of new characters and backgrounds, so you can choose whatever suits you. For the size, you should choose based on the video you're going to create from this. If you want to create a video with a green background so you can remove it when editing, you can click Custom Color and choose green. You can also use the transparent background, and it will be without a background. But if you use the transparent background, you can't download it. You can only use it inside Adobe Express. After a while, it finishes creating the video from the file. And now if you generated a clear background, you can click the Open in the Editor button, and from there use it inside Adobe Express. If you want to use it in different editing software, you need to use a background. If you want to use the green background so you can delete it and add it to your video, you need to do that in the editing software you use. I'm using Premiere Pro for editing, so I remove the green background there. The lip sync of the Adobe Express tool is very general, and I feel it just stops the lips in poses, but it's not very synced during the speaking. The app did it better. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.